Hello everyone, and welcome to another Hi-Rel 3D tutorial. I'm Jacob Heiser and I do computer-aided design here at Hi-Rel. One of my responsibilities here is making DXF files that fit the outline of a head. Once we have a 2D CAD file that matches the head's outline, we can use a laser head and cut foam that the head can be shipped in so it's padded while it's on the way to the customer. First, we open the assembly. The DXF will be created in Inkscape using edge detection, which will require a considerable amount of contrast between the background and the model. For example, make sure the background is white and that the assembly is black, without much lighting and shading. To do this, press CTRL A, and all parts of the assembly will be selected. Right-click one of the parts and select Color Properties. Make the parts as dark as possible. Get to a side view and turn off any advanced rendering options that could create inconsistent shading. In this case, I'm going to remove the syringe and the nozzle because it isn't packaged with these items attached. Then we press Ctrl P to print a PDF of this side view. Now we open that PDF in Inkscape. Use Ctrl plus the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. We can start creating boxes to fill in the gaps on the silhouette and start getting closer to a more minimal profile of the head. We select the rectangle tool. Right-click the box and select Fill and Stroke. Adjust the box color to be black. And make sure a stroke is not enabled. Continue drawing boxes until the image is simplified in a way that not only is easier for edge detection to interpret within Inkscape, but also in a way that would be more ideal when laser engraving foam. In this case, that could be a silhouette without tiny pieces that poke out all over the place. Once you are satisfied with the simplification of the silhouette, you can go to File, Export PNG Image. Make sure the selection border that resembles marching ants is surrounding the entire image to be exported. To do this, use the Select tool that looks like a cursor. Now let's go back to the CAD model. Let's determine the y-axis height of this head using a Libre's measurement tool. It says delta y is 323.25 millimeters. We need this height for the image we made in Inkscape. Click the simplified head outline. Switch the unit of measurement to millimeter. Remember to lock the aspect ratio. Then enter the height. You may have to use Ctrl-V for paste, and you may have to select the width value before the height value is accepted. Now we go to Path, Trace, Bitmap. Select Edge Detection. Increase the threshold to the maximum value of 1. Deselect speckles, smooth corners, and optimize. Select the black head outline by clicking it once. Click OK in the Trace Bitmap window. Exit out of the Trace Bitmap window. Select the black head outline by clicking it once again. Press Delete on the keyboard. Then save your vector graphic as a DXF and SVG file. We can open this DXF file in a Libre and edit it and export it. The height in the 3D model is 323.25 millimeters, and this DXF is showing 322.35 millimeters, which is more than enough precision needed to laser cut the foam. I hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck with vector graphics.